How to fix Telegram can't play video on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram can't play video on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here storage, and then click clean up. Now just clean some space, and if you can't clean junk files or cache, just clean it, and then click gallery, and you can delete some photos and images to clean some space, and then go to settings and click here apps, and then apps again, and click Telegram. And first thing you need to do here is to click force stop, and then click storage and clear cache. Now go to permission and check storage. Maybe you'll find it like that, just allow it. Now go back and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.